Hello, hello, hello.
Jambu. Oh my god, I'm never doing that again.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with
Fresh Bro 8. Fresh Bro 11.
and Fresh Mommy. In this episode, we are going to be reviewing. In this episode, we are going to be reviewing the places in the city or maeneo katika mji. All right. So the first thing we are going to cover is a shop. What is a shop in
First
Swahili?
thing we're gonna cover is my joke.
Okay, what is your joke?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Radio.
Radio who?
Radio not. Here I come.
Oh. Okay. All right. Do you have one?
Yeah.
Okay. So, all right. The first thing we are going to cover is
I know you get a joke, bro.
shop. Shop. If you
We
think
got
of
the
the,
last one as well.
if you remember it, you stop me and say, "Mommy, I remember my joke." Okay. Now let's focus on the stuff over here in Fresh Kids. We hope everybody is doing well. Again, keep learning. Even if we don't drop the videos, get your book. Keep learning. All right. All right. So first place that we are going to learn that you might see around the town, and as you're driving in your cars,
see everywhere.
you can be looking for these things. All right. Uko na joke? Sema.
What is zombie's favorite day?
Zombie's favorite day. Why do I feel like I know this?
You know, but you don't know.
Zombie day. Zombie day.
No?
What?
Birthday.
Huh?
Birthday.
Birthday? What does that mean?
You don't get it. Birthday.
What is that?
You don't get it. You don't get it.
No, I don't. Birthday. A bad day?
No.
What? okay, I don't get it.
Alright.
All right, so let's continue learning. All right, the first thing we're going to learn is shop. What is a shop in Swahili?
Duka.
Duka. What is a shop in Swahili?
Duka.
What is a shop in Swahili? Duka. What is a shop in Swahili?
Duka.
Okay. What is a church in Swahili?
Kanisa.
Kanisa. What is church?
Kanisa.
We can hear you. I don't know why. Okay. Next thing is library. What is library? What is library?
Mkataba. Maktaba. Mkataba. Maktaba. Mkataba. Maktaba. Maktaba.
So maktaba. All right. And the next thing is police station. What is
Kituo cha polisi.
kituo cha police? Good job.
That
And
duka
next thing
is really small for a grocery store now.
right, it's like a parking
It's like a
market.
corner store.
Right. All right.
Cinema.
Is what? Ukumbi wa cinema is what?
My favorite place to go out on
Movie
Friday.
theater. Movie theater
On
is
Fridays.
ukumbi wa cinema.
Every day.
All right. Next thing is fire station. Fire station is
Kituo cha zimamoto.
kituo cha zimamoto. And what was fire truck again? Fire truck was
Fire truck was zimamoto.
beautiful, beautiful. Next thing we have is courthouse. What is courthouse? Mahakama. Good job. Next thing is bank. What is bank?
Banky.
Banky. What is that? Bank?
Banky.
Banky. Good job. Next thing is school. School is what? What?
Schule.
Schule. Good
You know what's
job.
crazy? You don't say bank like bank. You say bank like bank. And you say banky like banky. You're just adding an I.
All right. Yeah, that's right.
But it's spelled differently.
Spelled differently. All right. Next thing we are going to learn is airport. What is airport?
Ndege. Uwanja wa ndege.
Uwanja wa ndege. What was a plane?
Ndege.
What was a plane?
Ndege.
Ndege. Good job. And airport is
Uwanja wa ndege.
Uwanja wa ndege. So uwanja is a ground. Next thing is hospital. What is
Hospitali.
hospitali? Good job. Good job. Now let's connect these two. You have the vessels over here, right? Ambulance goes where? Ambulance goes where?
Ambulance goes everywhere.
It goes to the.
It goes to the fight.
It takes people where?
It takes people to the hospital.
Hospitali. All right. And what about andege? Andege would be parked where?
Andege would be parked right here.
Where?
In the airport. At the
Which
airport.
is what?
Uwanja wa ndege.
Uwanja wa ndege. Good job, good job. And then you can drive a car to go where?
Anywhere.
Like
Duka, kanisa.
Good job. Or kanisa.
Makataba.
Kituo cha polisi, ukumbi wa sinema, kituo cha zimamoto, mahakama, benki, shule, uwanja wa ndege, and hospitali.
Beautiful. All right, now let's do a quick 10 seconds review for all those words here real quick. What was road?
Barabara.
Barabara. What was river?
Mto.
Mto. Good job. What was ocean?
Bahari.
Bahari. Good job. What is hill?
I have no idea.
Kitungu.
Kilini. Kilima.
Kilima. All right. What was valley? We can see you 11. Valley. Bonde. Good job.
Bro.
What is sun?
Jua.
We can see you. Jua. Beautiful. What is clouds? Clouds.
Something like there's something like
Clouds.
Clouds are mawingi.
Mawingu. Mawingu. All right. What about swimming pool?
That's you got
D?
that. Mabawa.
Bwawa. Good job. Or dimbwi la kuogelea. Good job. Good job.
Bro.
Next, playground. Playground.
Uwanja wa
Michezo. Beautiful. Good job. All right. What about shop? What is a shop?
I don't know. Duka.
Duka. Good job. What is church?
Kanisa.
Kanisa. Good job. Library.
Maktaba.
Maktaba. Police station.
Maktaba.
Police station.
Nope.
Kituo
cha polisi.
Beautiful. Movie theater.
Ukumbi cha wa cinema.
Good job. What about fire station? Kituo cha zimamoto. Good job. Courthouse. Mahakama. Beautiful. Bank.
Banking.
Beautiful. School.
Shule.
Beautiful. Airport.
Uwanja wa ndege.
Nice. Hospital.
Hospitali.
All right. Hospitali. All right, Fresh Bro 8. You didn't get any of them. All right. Listen, kwaherini. Hopefully we get to record soon. And if we do, we'll drop the video. Asanteni, keep learning every single day. Thank you so much. Kwaheri.
Kwaheri.